Girls, exercise 1.2, page 11 and 12. I have left question 2. So morning I sent the PDF of this question number 2 with the answers. Now I explain the answers. Identify the following sets as finite or infinite. X is equal to the set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. We know there are 37 districts in Tamil Nadu. If you can give the cardinal number of the question, if you can count and give, then it is a finite set. It is countable. Number of districts are countable. We can count. Y, the set of all state lines passing through a point. Infinite number of points we can draw, infinite number of lines we can draw through a point. We can draw infinite number, uncountable number of lines can be drawn passing through a point. Infinite number of lines are passing through a point. This is point. So therefore n of y cannot be answered. We cannot give the answer. Therefore y is infinite set. Next, third question is A is equal to set x such that x is the element of or x belongs to z and x lesser than 5. Two conditions are given before writing answer in roster form of set A. X is the element of z meaning integers. Integers meaning negative numbers, minus numbers, positive numbers, plus numbers and 0. But we cannot write all the integers here. One more condition given. Only integers that should be less than 5. Less than 5 means before 5 we have 4. Before 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, it goes on. So starting number we cannot give here. So here infinite numbers, infinite elements, not countable, uncountable. So n of a cannot be answered. Therefore a is an infinite set. Last question, b is equal to set x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. X belongs to capital N. So this is factorization. This will be you are learning in algebra 3rd chapter how to factorize. See here x power is 2. So highest power is 2 means we will get 2 answers for x. Power 3 means you will get 3 answers. Here for this is the quadratic equation. Quadratic means power 2. Highest power is 2. So when you factorize, you get 2 answers. The 2 answers should be positive numbers, natural numbers. Natural number means plus numbers starting from 1, 2, 3. Factorization you will be learning in 3rd chapter, but only for this sum you learn only the answer. Here 2, 3. How we are getting 2, 3 I will explain, but all explanation you write in the notebook, but no need to write in the exam. Okay, 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is x square term, this is x term, this is constant. So constant you write here with the sign plus 6. X coefficient should be in the middle. So you think of 2 factors. When you multiply you should get plus 6. When you simplify you get minus 5. So take 2 and 3. When you multiply you get plus 6. Suppose plus 2 plus 3 means you should get plus 5 here, but we have minus. So one plus here, one minus here means you put minus for both the places. Now you check minus 2 into minus 3, that will become plus 6. And when you simplify means both common sign means put common sign and add 2 and 3 adding you get 5. So here x squared means divided by x divided by x. This is simple method of finding the factors. So x minus 2 in first bracket, x minus 3 in second bracket equal to, here equal to 0 given equal to 0. When you multiply these terms you will get this answer. So that is the meaning of factor. Suppose we have here 10 means we will write Suppose we have only 6 means, suppose we have 6 here. What are the factors for 6? 2 and 3. And like this, here factors of the quadratic equation is x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. Take the first factor, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to, when minus 2 goes this side, plus 2. So, 0, no value, leave it. Second factor is x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3. So, both the answers are in natural numbers. So, we have written B answers are 2, 3. So, what is the cardinal number? N of B is equal to 2. Therefore, B is finite set.